Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 52 Wren हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से और टॉपिक है पार्टिसिपल. Pick out the participle in each of the following sentences. Tell whether it is a present or a past participle and how it is used. The fat of the body is fuel laid away for use. Laid, past participle. Qualifying the noun fuel. Being occupied with important matters. He had no leisure to see us. Being occupied, present participle, qualifying the pronoun he. The children coming home from school look in at the open door. Coming, present participle, qualifying the noun children. Michel, barefoot of his son Luke, died of a broken heart. Barefoot, past participle, qualifying the noun Michel. Books read in the childhood seem like old friends. Read, past participle, qualifying the noun books. Lessons learned easily are soon forgotten. Learn, past participle, qualifying the noun lessons. A word fitly spoken is like apples of gold in pictures, baskets of silver. Spoken, past participle, qualifying the noun word. Seeing the sunshine, I threw open the window. Seeing, present participle, governing the noun sunshine and qualifying the pronoun I. Seizing him by the arm, his friend led him away. Seizing, present participle, governing the pronoun him and qualifying the noun friend. Encouraged by his wife, he persevered. Encouraged, past participle, qualifying the pronoun he. Overcome by remorse, he determined to atone for his crime by liberty to the church. Overcome, past participle, qualifying the pronoun he. So this is the exercise number 52. Let's meet in exercise number 53. तब तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA Education.